Smells so good. Vanessa just got back from the store and she brought me this really good looking Irish soda bread, and it's still warm. I'm gonna cut it up. Still beer in there. It's a waste. I know it's still breakfast time, but can't waste a good Guinness.
It's not breakfast time, it's 11:30.
I know, I woke up late. It's brunch.
Have a Guinness.
My favorite beer, stout. Is it open yet? It's still warm.
Oh, and you
Look
have
at that.
to have your
I bet it's gonna steam up.
butter.
Irish butter. Here we go. Is it gonna steam up? I bet it's gonna steam up my lens. All its goodness. Yum. Happy St. Patty's Day.
And to make an egg with that?
Let's check on it. Look at that coming along. Our corned beef with Guinness. Okay, fine, I'll open it. Yum. For me. This is good to go. It's been cooking all day. And we just noticed that I'm about to do my cabbage recipe. And it's bacon and cabbage really. But we just noticed we forgot the bacon, to pick up bacon. So in the spirit of St. Patty's Day, I'm gonna go ahead and make it, replace the bacon with corned beef. Okay, I got my ingredients ready. I'm doing a lot of substitution here. Typically you want red onions. Typically you want bacon. Substituting the bacon with corned beef. I got my cabbage right here. I got the cayenne pepper. Salt and pepper to taste. And you got butter. This is my chicken broth. Okay, let's get started. Warm up the pan. Typically you would have bacon grease, and that's where usually I would do my onions, but peanut oil. Warm it up. Onions. Well, on that side, we're getting mashed potatoes done. Corned beef. Let's add the butter. It's on high heat. There you go. Cayenne. to taste. Salt and pepper to taste. Salt to taste. Account for your chicken broth, especially if it's high sodium, so you don't want to put a lot of salt. That'll be the last thing you want to put in the this pan. This would be a lot better with bacon grease. High heat again. Don't stir it too often. You want a little bit of pan browning onto your cabbage. Okay, see if you got a little bit of browning right there. You want the cabbage, some of them, to have like the burnt look. So it's not just really blanched or just boiled cabbage. So you actually want some browning on it. It's almost like you burnt it intentionally. Like this. Take a look at that. This is good to go. Look at that. Okay, this is actually done. Now I'm going to put the chicken broth. You don't want a lot. Just almost like to taste. That was a total maybe of half a cup. Again, typically I do this with bacon. Forgot to pick up the bacon. Since we have corned beef, we put in corned beef in it. And there you go. I'm going to put in a little bit of that broth from the corned beef, less the seasonings. There you go. So there you go. This bad boy is done. I like my veggies kind of halfway cooked, maybe 3/4 cooked. So this is actually done. I don't want them overcooked. There you go. That's our cabbage recipe. Look at that. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.